All right, guys, so I'm back with another decor hack, and this one is how to hang a planter. Now, the great thing about this that I'm sharing with you is the room is already in green. We got greens in this room. And so what I'm going to be doing is hanging this plant from the ceiling over here in the corner of the room. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how I hack this. Now, these here, if you go and see the decor haul, you will see that the rug that I bought her was wrapped in 3 different places with these. I'm going to iron these out flat. Got my iron ready. And all you need is an iron. You need a drill bit of your choice, a little bit smaller than the eye loop or whatever you want to call this, the hook. I think this one will probably be the best. And this is what you're going to put in the ceiling. So let me iron these and I'll be right back. Instead of having to buy a planter, this is how this is going to work. But let me iron them and come right back and show you. All right, they are all ironed, nice and flat. Now we're gonna move to the next step. Let me show you how we're gonna reuse those. This is gonna be so affordable and amazing for you guys. So I was looking at this planner and I said, oh my gosh, there are only 3, which normally the hangers have 3 chains, 3 ropes, 3 whatever, ribbons, cord, whatever. So I noticed that each of these are connected nicely to the pot. So I'm gonna go in and razor cut these off. I'm gonna razor cut these off or cut them off however I can cut them off, each of these, and then I'm gonna loop that rope into each one of them. So let me do that and I will be right back. So I'm gonna go in and cut all 3 of these tops off. So I don't want this hook. I'm gonna cut it off. So actually, once you get in there and you begin to cut, you don't even have to cut all the way through. You're gonna go in there and pop it off, because the razor will start the plastic and then you just go in, and that's all I did was pop it off like so. But it's really sturdy to the pot, and that's what we need so we can loop those things through this. So let's go to the other one. All right, the hook is off. Next step is taking your rope, and you guys can even use that rope I used on the, well, it might be a little too thick, the Dollar Tree hack with the vase, and you pull it through like this, and I'm going to hot glue this. Or I could knot it. I think I'm gonna just put a knot in it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a knot in. I'll be right back. So this has been double knotted in all 3 areas. Now it's time to take all 3 pieces and bring them up like this. You see what we have created? A hanging planter. And the colors match her room with the cream and the green. So I'm going to tie a knot at top, and I'll be right back. So what I did was I took 2. I took the 3rd one, I made them all even, and then I wrapped the 3rd one around and hot glued it. And then these 2, I'm going to create a knot where I can get the hook inside of here, because I'm going to put a hook in here. And I'm just going to nicely hot glue these down on each side. But this space here is where that hook is going to go through. I mean, and you can choose to do whatever you do to secure it. I'm just showing you my way, which this is something I just came up with because I wanted to save coins. And we cannot seem to find the type of planter that we want. So we could just leave it, make it look organic like that, or you can cut the excess off, let that cool, and now it's time to hang it up. So I'm getting ready to drill a hole and show you how it looks up on in the corner of the room. And you want a drill bit just enough to get it started so that this can go into the ceiling and screw in. So I just want to start the hole with this and finish it with this. Right, my phone is literally on 2%. So here's the hook. I have, if you can see, it's a blue, I put a blue anchor up there. You don't want to put nothing like this up without putting an anchor. That makes this securely stay inside the actual, oh Lord, hold on. Glue gun was hanging from the plant. So this is what it looks like, and this is how you put it in. Remember I told you leave the space here for putting the hook in. So now you see the hook is in there. So let's put this hook in the wall. And there you have it, a great way to hang your hanging plant without a planter. Use some string, some twine, and use the hooks that are already on the plastic hanging hanger that comes from the nursery. Or you can also wrap this planter with rope. You could wrap this with twine or anything to, you know, make it look more fancy. Being that her room is green, there's no need for us to do that because I was going to wrap it with that rope I told you guys about from my Dollar Tree hack for the vase. But she likes it like this, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up. And make sure that you share the channel. And if you are new to the channel, join the family by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you don't have any questions or comments, I guess that's it, and I will see you guys later, Gators.